Hello, hi. I'm out in nature. I'm recharging myself. I'm walking barefoot, getting grounded, and allowing my body to balance itself out. There's a lot going on this earth. It's a lot of distractions and it's just a busy world we live in. So every now and then it's good to recharge yourself, and this is a good way to do it. Take your shoes off and just ground yourself. It's a nice field I'm in. See? Nice outside. Make sure the grass is clean and everything like that. And just, charge yourself up. Give gratitude to Mother Nature and God. Be thankful. Release all that toxicity out your body and just recharge yourself, reground yourself. Allow your body to absorb the electrons through your body, all through your body. Rebalance yourself.